Hello, I'm Chris, and this is another used TRAXXAS Nitro off of eBay video. I think this is a rustler, I believe. Cool. Oh, is this another turd? So what we have here is a Nitro Rustler 2.5. I didn't realize I paid that much for it, but you see what I won the auction at. About $100 is what I'll pay for them, but since it does have a matching set of wheels and tires, these are the correct tires, I'm good. You can see plenty of tread on them, and it's a little wobbly. So it appears to be complete. The alignment looks good on it. The only damage I see really is this aftermarket carbon fiber piece. Ooh, it has one on the front too. It's got the air filter on it. Looks like it's missing the element or filament element. Ooh, it shrunk, turned into a baby. Kill me, kill me. Okay. Alrighty, let's see the tank. Now they left the fuel in it. Let's see if this thing is free. Oh, hell no. I didn't think for 1 second it was gonna be free. Alright, we also need the body post for the back. So I guess they were just running this with no body on there. That's crackhead style. I actually bought this body and it looks like they have a different. Ooh, I'm buying that one. Oh, god dang it. Out of stock. So I just look at the exploded view. It's gonna have the part number and order what I'm missing. So let's go ahead and get this apart. Oh, the shock's bent. Ah, man. So we can repair that or replace it, no big deal.
There is half-life regression.
So I know some people could think I'm crazy or going overboard when I take the engines apart. I don't think those people are watching it until the end of the video. Whenever I put some fuel in, these things start up instantly and run perfect. I don't always take the engine apart, but I'm telling you right now, the ones that I don't, they have issues. All of them do. Easy start's good. Awesome. So I took the engine off. Super gummy, but it's not completely locked up. It was just at top dead center. Let's go ahead and take a look in the inside. Oh yeah, plenty of compression. Nice. Felt like it had something in the bottom though. This is the worst one so far. So this one's weird because it was stuck at top dead center, and it looks like a spider may have crawled in through the exhaust and made some kind of spider house. It really looks like a little spider house in there. All right, so in case you don't know, that's the problem with little animals, is they go living somewhere and then they start peeing and pooping and crapping everywhere, and then you get something like that. Okay, so a spider was living in here. That's web. Clean all this and bury chem dip. Hopefully it cleans up. This is pretty nasty, filthy. All right, so we got that 2.5 cleaned up. I just scrubbed it out the best that I could with a screwdriver, kind of scraped it, left some WD-40, and you see it spins super free now. We got to get all that crust off because that can be catastrophic if it falls in our engine. Beautiful. Spin the engine both ways. Good. So just kind of giving you an idea how these projects go down. Everything's been washed thoroughly in the sink. Purple Power, Green Magic, all that foaming stuff. I'll just start filming and then we kind of slow down when things get different or weird. So these are supposed to be waterproof, so I'm just starting to throw them in the sink, spray them down with Purple Power, Green Magic, but I do have to crack them to give them a final inspection. So I will check the bearings. I've already done it. No water got inside. Make sure the coated washers are where they're supposed to be. Everything looks good. Man, these are worn all uneven. Okay, so we have the friction pegs, slipper pegs in there, ready to go.
The experiment reportedly was conducted at Massachusetts General Hospital sometime in the 30s or 40s.
I believe we're judged on is that which we know. If they've been told of the gospel and they refuse Jesus Christ.
And I never saw a case of cancer in an unvaccinated person.
We've basically eliminated polio in our time.
In the Arizona Daily Sun just the other day, it says fungus emerges as a major health hazard when we're traveling in aircraft, when air is recirculated in airplanes.
And I think that'd be rough road to home. Lindsay Williams is my guest. his book is You Can Live.
Does. It is mandatory vaccination for every child in America and up to a $15,000 fine.
Could that, whatever it is, mutate to the degree that an antibiotic would not be effective? We'll do another hour. This is CBC.
Hello?
Hello, turn your radio off, ma'am. Turn your radio off.
Okay, okay.
All right, where are you calling from? And we talk about all kinds of things, political and otherwise, and so on.
I don't know that I've read after those particular people. Okay,
All right, all that was super tight.
On the wild card line, you're on the air with Lindsay Williams. Hello.
All right, so we reached the first thing that was missing. I think it just has double stack coated washers. Oh yeah, that like nicely fits together. Beautiful. Beautiful.
The videotape is $25
$25.
and $4 for postage, packaging, and handling. Now, if you'd like to order it by mail and you do not use a credit card,
Right.
just write.
I've been involved in herbs for a long time. Use this, and if it's bacterial, bone set.
Well, this is what is strange about it, Art. I've been working on a being under load. It was running over Unity, but needs this device. So, okay. He goes over to the other place.
We're gonna prime it.
Wow. And this thing was just totally overpowering.
Seen it go in there.
And keep in mind now that this thing was the power.
First time ever. Look, it's already bumping. All right. Nice. Damn.
You know, this, east of the Rockies, you're on the air with J.W. McGinnis. Good evening.
All right, always check those bearings. We have a video coming up on one that is a complete piece of junk, and it has bad everything. These bearings actually fit loose in these wheels. I don't like that. So if you have a Rustler, there's a set of wheels, all brand new wheels for $40. And for you people out there that actually like my channel and watch the whole video, I do put a lot of time and effort in these videos. Trust me, this is my second job. It really is. Of course, I appreciate y'all watching, but I don't do giveaways and stuff on my channel because I don't have time for that kind of stuff. But I did buy me a brand new RC car. And if you guess what it is, we'll do a video on it. I'm going to give you $50. I'll send you $50 in the mail or Zelle you $50. I'm not playing. The only hint that I'll give you is that it's not electric. Another hint is that it did not just come out. It's been out for a few years, but I am buying it brand new. Look at these freaking wheels. These chrome wheels actually look good. So I have another Nitro Sport right here. Let me just put this thing together off camera real quick and we'll see how complete I get on it.
Well, think of these as the good old days, yeah. On Super Rock FM. West of the Rockies, you're on the air with Captain Crunch. Hi.
Hey, this is Rick.
All right, well, listen, thank you for the call, Captain. We're at the end of the hour. What do you do for Beyond Boundaries? Do you own it? We're heading toward a change that must occur. And, you know, it's the old line about not. Now, I have one great disagreement with Richard.
Dang, these things came out looking good. I always get a little scared when I'm painting them. All right, so this one, I had to modify this body a whole bunch. This is the electric body. I think I got it for $24.95. I didn't know. So I had to drill those holes back a little bit. And then this post, you can line it up. It doesn't come with it cut, but you can drill it. But the shock tower sticks up. See how this would be for the shock tower? On the Nitro, it's back here. So just showing you that in case you get an electric body, I had to use one of the little pieces right here, drill it out, and then fit it over the existing peg like an extension. And it's 100% legit. So let's go ahead and stick the body on. So the body is moved forward that way a little bit, and it does go over the bumper, but I'm leaving it like that. So evidently the electric one's different. Look at this. So I'm gonna order some black wheel nuts for this one because this thing looks mean. It doesn't even look like a Rustler. Since we have that clear shining where you put your accent color, I'm gonna put some lights in there and see if it kind of shines through. I don't know if that's been done before. I'm sure it has. So those are like headlights and tail light LEDs. So it's not dark outside yet. That's why it's not showing up too good, but that definitely is a different look right there. think I'm gonna do the red. The red kind of looks mean like that. But just an idea. Let me know if it's been done before, and if it doesn't work out, we'll just paint the accent color something. I don't know yet. I have to see if it's gonna have a twist. I might just do the accent color black. So I thought this was just gonna be wasting my time on the second one, but I think I like the second one better. All right, so we are missing some stuff on this one. I do want to get it started in the video, so let me go ahead and get this thing done, and we'll take a look at it here in a second. Oh, the one-way bearing's bad. Damn. Damn.
They've had to actually go outside the country to continue the research.
Damn. I have one-way bearings, but it's late. I'm tired. I do not feel like pressing one of these in right now. Well, I got the engine all in there. Everything was ready to go. But the one-way bearing, god dang it. And then you'll see this one in the future when we start running them. So this is going to be my display car. This one's been restored, but that body has not been cleaned. I'm going to carefully clean it and put some kind of wax on it so it shines. So this is going to be my personal .15 that I run, murdered out black. I don't like saying murdered out, but that's what it is, and it looks freaking awesome. So I do have another Nitro Sport that I could build, but we're just going to use that for parts. Remember, this is an electric body, and I think we got away with that .15 because we're able to aim the exhaust down. The Nitro Rustler 2.5 bulges out right here a whole bunch, so I don't think you're going to be able to use an electric body. But look at the stickers, what they did for us. We can just cut that brushless off and run the Rustler. It's going to be freaking awesome. This thing is going to look really good in the future. So let's check out the main one. Now for the icing on the cake, let's see if we got everything right. Let's anoint it with this new body. So I got the engine dialed in now. Let's go ahead and check it out. I've been about 3.5 months into these things. So now when I turn them on, I go ahead and run my throttle trim up just about 2. They're a little bit harder to start sometimes, but I'm getting into the tune on the idle circuit. I'll lower it down. All right, so this thing is dialed in, ready to go 100%. So we're gonna have videos showing you how to tune these damn things. I'm gonna be trying to debunk the doesn't hold a tune, and if it doesn't, who gives a shit? It only takes a few minutes to tune these fucking things. That's why they put that zip tie on there. Damn. So this body was like $25 from TRAXXAS. Those wheels were $35. So we got about $175 into this thing. So when I restore them like this, these go into my personal collection, and I will never sell these as long as I'm alive on this earth. If I told you this was brand new and never run, you'd probably believe me. So it's still hot in Houston, Texas. We're gonna be running all these, doing speed runs, and figuring out how to dial these things in to get the most performance out of them with the GPS in the future. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.